Electric chair scooters are rapidly growing in popularity due to their unique combination of mobility, independence, and comfort. Whether for seniors or individuals with limited mobility, these devices offer a practical alternative to traditional wheelchairs. In this guide, list 1. 3-wheel mobility scooters for adults, electric-powered mobile wheelchair medical aid. Folding, collapsible, compact for travel. This 3-wheel electric mobility scooter is designed for adults who value portability and flexibility. The folding and collapsible design makes it highly suitable for travel, fitting easily in car trunks or SUV spaces, with a max speed of around 4 miles per hour and a decent travel range. List 2 Sariani foldable mobility scooters for seniors. 4-wheel lightweight mobility scooters for adults. This Sariani 4-wheel mobility scooter delivers both stability and convenience, ideal for seniors and adults looking for reliable transportation. The 4-wheel base offers enhanced balance, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its lightweight yet sturdy frame can support a wide range of users, and the foldable design is perfect for travel or SUV storage. List 3. Sariani foldable mobility scooters for seniors. 4-wheel lightweight mobility scooters for adults. Duplicate listing. While this is a repeat listing of the above Sariani scooter, it's worth reiterating that the combination of stability, portability, and affordability makes this product stand out. It's equipped with a strong battery that supports moderate distance travel and durable wheels that perform well on sidewalks, mall floors, or indoor surfaces. List 4 iScooter X02 mobility scooter. 12-24 miles electric wheelchair device. The iScooter X02 sets itself apart with its powerful battery options, offering up to 24 miles per charge, far more than many competitors. Ideal for those who want to travel longer distances without constantly recharging, this scooter combines performance with portability. It's built for both indoor and outdoor terrain, handling slopes and uneven sidewalks with ease. List 5. Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter. Electric-powered wheelchair device. Compact, heavy-duty. The Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter is a heavy-duty, high-performance electric wheelchair scooter perfect for users who demand reliability and strength. It supports up to 265 pounds, and its 4-wheel base ensures exceptional balance and stability on all surfaces. With non-marking tires, intuitive controls, and adjustable speed settings, it's built for safety and ease.